Good morning, class. My name is Harsha Jamnani. Today's date is 21st December 2020. The class is 11th. I will be teaching you commerce. This is third period and the duration of this class is 35 minutes. So students, I am going to ask you few questions and if you know the answers then give you answers in complete sentence. So the first question is, what are the basic necessities of life? Yes, the answer is the basic necessities of life are food, clothing, and shelter. Where do you go to buy clothes and other things? We go to market and to buy clothes and other things. What do we need to buy things? We need money to buy things. Who were the people that dealt in transactions of money in ancient times? Those were landlords and money lenders who used to deal in transactions of money in ancient times. So, which institution deals in money transaction in recent times? So, students, today we shall study about bank. What is the meaning of bank? The word bank comes from an Italian word banco, which means a bench. In simple words, bank can be defined as the business activity of accepting and safeguarding money owned by other individuals and entities and then lending out this money in order to earn profit. Banks are governed by Indian Banking Regulation Act 1949. So, the basic activity of the bank is to accept deposits and lend money. Now, students, tell me what are the functions of bank? There are two major functions of bank. They can be classified into primary functions and secondary functions. Primary functions include, these are the main functions of bank to operate. They are also called banking functions like accepting deposits and it favors withdrawal and lending activities. Now the secondary functions of the banks, all other activities done in bank apart from primary functions are called secondary functions, which may include they issue travelers check and they act as a customers bank. The primary functions of bank, the first function is accepting loans. Banks accept deposits from public. These deposits are of different types like saving deposits, current deposits, fixed deposits, and recurring deposits. The second primary function is granting of loans and advances. The bank advances loans to the business community and other members of the public. Its types are overdraft and cash credit. Now, what are the secondary functions of bank? The secondary functions of bank are agency functions. Banks acts as an agent. Bank perform these functions like transfer of funds, collection of checks, periodic payments, portfolio management, periodic collection, etc. The second is general utility functions. Bank also performs general utility functions such as issue of drafts, letter of credit, locker facility to its customers, underwriting of shares, foreign exchange, and other utility functions as allotted by government from time to time. So now students, Tell me, what is the origin of the word bank? The origin of the word bank is from banco. What is the classification of functions of bank? They are classified into primary and secondary functions. What are primary functions of bank? Like accepting deposits and advancing loans. Right, two agency functions of bank. Agency functions of bank: locker facility and traveler's check. Tell any two general utility functions of bank. General utility functions may include issue of letter of credit and overdraft facilities. Now state true in case the statements are true and false in case they are false. The word bank is derived from the French word banco. Yes, it is true. It's a Latin word, not a French. So it is false. Bank accept deposit and grant loans. Yes, it is true. Secondary functions of bank is to accept deposits. No, this function is the primary one, so it is false. Giving locker facility is a primary function of the bank. No, this is a secondary. Banks perform a lot of general utility functions. Yes, it is true. So, this is your homework. Assuming that you are running a business, write 5 transactions that you might do with the bank with reference to your business. Okay, class, thank you.